the confluence of Lake Champlain and Lake George, Fort Ticonderoga controlled access north and south between Albany and Montreal. This made a critical battlefield of the French and Indian War. Begun as a French fort, the British attacked it, and the resulting battle was the largest of the war and was taken over and captured by the British. Fort Ticonderoga became a minor garrison for the British and had fallen into disrepair. During the American War for Independence, the fort became known to the Americans and would find a new importance as the site of several key events. Ethan Allen and the Green Mountain Boys, accompanied by Benedict Arnold, silently rode across Lake Champlain and captured the fort in a swift, late-night surprise attack. The capture was the first offensive victory for American forces and secured the passageway north and opening the way for the American invasion of Canada later that year. After the invasion of Canada was collapsing, the American forces retreated to Ticonderoga, digging in and preparing for a British counterattack. The British attacked, and the American defeat slowed the British, who advanced to Ticonderoga and found the American army strongly entrenched with the winter closing in. They returned to Canada, leaving the Americans in control of the strategic position. In the summer of 1777, the British Army came back again to try to take over the fort, and because they were on the high ground, the Americans decided to evacuate Ticonderoga, with the British advance guard nipping at their heels. Following the British surrender at Saratoga, the British made the decision to withdraw to Canada and destroyed much of the artillery and fortifications. American forces never reoccupied Ticonderoga because by the time the war was over, it was not needed for security.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.